beauties, it's Michelle here from Model Rock, and today we're getting up close and personal because we are going to be diving into our lash play, which is our DIY lash extension series. So let's get started. To demonstrate, I'll be using our kit in the style Day to Night. Each kit contains 2 different lash style clusters, a bond, a sealer, a remover, and tweezers to apply your lashes with. I've just shuffled in a little bit closer so you can see in detail. This one is the day style up top, so you can see it's a lot more softer and wispier. And this one is the night style, which is a little bit thicker. So I'm going to do day on one side of my face and night on the other so you can compare the two. And this is what the applicator looks like. It's curved so it fits nicely in your hand and it hugs your eye shape for easier application. To begin, I'm going to be using the bond, which has a 3 to 5 day hold. What I love about this is it has a super fine micro spoolie to make it easier to coat the base of your lashes. To begin, I'm going to lift my eye a little bit just because my lashes are naturally downturned, and I'm going to apply it to the outer edge, and you want to do it just to the eye base and not apply too much product. If you use too much, it can get a little bit clumpy. You want to take your first cluster on your lash applicator and then lifting your eye again to reveal the underside, we're going to apply the cluster. That way it looks seamless from above. And you just want to repeat the process until you get to the inner corner of your eye, so just applying the bond lightly to the lash base and then picking up your next cluster and apply it underneath. I've just gone ahead and applied the rest of the clusters to my eye. Now we want to jump in with our sealer. This will just fuse everything together, remove any tackiness, and give it a waterproof coat. Just like the bond, it has an incredibly small micro spoolie, and you just want to run it beneath your lash line as well as above your lash line so we sandwich that bond in. Here's a pro tip to get your lash extensions to last longer. You want to take your sealer and your lash applicator and you want to apply some of the sealant on the tip like this. And then what you want to do is press the natural lashes and the falsies together at the root, just like this. As you can see, the daytime one is super soft, super fluttery, perfect for like an everyday look. Now let's switch it up and do the night style on this side. For reference, this one is the day style side and this one is the night style side. The removal process is just as easy as the application process. You want to take your remover gel. This time the spoolie is a little bit thicker, and what you want to do is you want to thoroughly coat the top and bottoms of your lashes. You want to go in underneath and rub it all in, making sure to saturate the bond, going above as well. The remover gel just loosens the bond, making it easy to pull the clusters away from your lash line. I'm going to do it on both sides because you want to wait about 20 to 30 seconds before pulling the clusters away, letting that bond loosen. So just doing it on the nighttime side. So I've gone below, now going above. You just really want to saturate them. So it's been about 20 to 30 seconds and I'm just going to grab the tip of the cluster and gently pull it away. See how easy that was? The other thing as well is if you do want to reuse your clusters, you can, as long as you give them a proper clean before reapplication. The remover gel just helps them glide right off. Same with the nighttime side, we're just going to grab the tip and pull them away. It's as easy as that. What if you run out of clusters but you still have your sealer, bond and remover, but you don't want to have to repurchase a whole kit? Good news for you, we've just released our Feather Light Wispy clusters. So they come in packs like these. There are 7 different styles to choose from. Or for the opposite scenario, what if you've got clusters but you've run out of your bond and sealer? We've just released a new white and black bond and lock-on sealer, so this is double-ended. It's your 2-in-1 product to go. I've just opened up the black one for you to have a look at. So as you can see, you've got the black bond on this side and the sealer on this side, and I'll just screw them both open for you to have a look. It does have that micro spoolie like before, but this one is a little bit bent. The curve hugs your natural lash line. And the sealer is actually quite a cute shape, so it has the ball end to target those hard to reach areas and concentrate on, and it has a mascara like wand head. I have both cluster style 1 and 6 to choose from, but I think I'm going to dive in with cluster style 1 and I'll show you how to apply them with the dual bond and sealer. I've just done this side off camera and how cute is this style? I really love it. Alright, so same technique as the kit bond. We're just going to take this one, lift our eye a little bit and apply beneath the lash line. Now for this, I'm going to show you how to apply them with tweezers just to show, like, if you don't get the kit and you do buy the clusters and the dual-ended bond and sealer separately, you can do it with these really easy. Taking a cluster again, lifting the eye up ever so slightly. We're just applying it beneath the lash line. And like last time, you just want to repeat till you get to the inner corner of your eye. Now with the lock-on seal, we're just going to, same again, apply underneath and above. I really do like this bald end. It just helps you focus on certain areas. I do recommend doing this without wearing makeup. As you can see, the remover gel did take some of it off, just because I had my everyday makeup just to show this tutorial. So ignore that little gap on my eyelid. And that's the finished result. Thank you guys so much for watching and we'll catch you in the next vlog.